First of all, let me show you our dinner at Fleming's, which was right before our road trip. Looking great, right? Honestly, it was the best steaks that I have tried in my entire life, and mashed potatoes with lobster are the chef's kiss. If you are a meat lover, you should definitely go there. But we are here not for food. Let's move to the most important part, road trip to the Door County. So we woke up at 5 a.m. and at 6 a.m. on Saturday morning we started our journey. Our final destination was 6 hours away. However, we wanted to visit small towns and get some breakfast beforehand. We came to the small town in Wisconsin for breakfast. We arrived there around 7 a.m. and a group of older people were already there, drinking their coffee and enjoying their Saturday morning tradition. Then we headed to the Green Bay.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee.
However, we were there only for half an hour and then headed to the cutest place ever. It is called DENN. It is a place with vintage things that you can buy. I would definitely recommend to go there just to explore. The highlight of this trip was hiking. This spot is called Cave Point and it looks perfect. You can see the crystal clear water and it would be great to jump in this water during the summer. Whenever you are in Wisconsin, come here to be with nature, hike and enjoy the fresh air.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cup my tea. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin